If you guys pay attention to this story, you will make a lot more money. Okay, so hopefully, just pay attention for 1 second. All right, imagine, summertime, it's beautiful out. It's not a cloud in the sky, perfect temperature. You decide you're gonna go to the beach, okay? You drive down there, you get your chair, you park your car, you take off your stuff, right? You got your best bikini on or swimsuit, whatever your jam is, right? You set your chair up, you put the white stuff on your nose, and then you go home and I'll see you tomorrow, beach. You don't even get wet. Why the hell am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you do this at least once a week, if not every day in your sales career, and somebody does it to you at least once a week, if not every day in your sales career. What the hell am I talking about? What I'm talking about is it takes just as much energy, mental resources, and effort to think about having a conversation as it does to have the conversation. 3 times already today, I got a derivation, a deviation, an iteration of the question, hey, are you free to talk tomorrow? You know what I did? 2 of them came in on an email, 1 of them came in on a text. On all 3, I called the person in that moment and said, hey, Joe, Matt Easton over here at Easton University, got your text message. Oh, yeah, thanks. Yeah, what can I get you information on? Joe was already primed because he had to think, should I have a conversation with Matt tomorrow? Maybe it'd be a good time for Matt. I don't know, it's a good time. He was ready to have the conversation. All 3 times the person had the conversation, okay? When somebody reaches, you're in business to do business. When somebody calls you and says, does next week work? Does next hour work? Does next month work? What day's good for you? Just at least try. Don't send them back a text or an email, okay? Because that's how they reach out to you with that stuff. Just call them and go, hey, got your email. What can I get you information on? You'll be shocked at how often they've already got their chair set up, their bikini on, the block on their nose. They go swimming, okay? Along those same lines, stop eliminating 90% of the resources that you have at your disposal to win in life by relegating everything to a scheduled conversation. Success happens in the margins and success happens in the moment. You don't need to, like Mitch is up on deck on questions. I don't have to reach out to Mitch and go, hey Mitch, do you have time to talk tomorrow? Right? Or even stupider, Mitch answers, hey Mitch, is now a good time to talk? That is literally like, I'm in the pool, I'm all soaking wet, I got my trunks on, right, and my floaties because I don't swim very good, swimming up to Mitch, who's a triathlete, right, and say, hey Mitch, is now a good time to swim? He's like, yo, dude, out of my lane, I'm swimming. Like in everywhere else in life, if you're already doing something, why the hell would you ask somebody if it's a good time to do that? Right? You're both in the pool. You called them. They started talking. Right? Hello. Jump right into the damn conversation. If it's not a good time to talk, they'll tell you. That's all I wanted to talk to you about today, guys. Stop it. Anytime somebody says, are you free? Pick up the phone, call them. Because the same mental energy it takes to think about, hey, is this person free to talk about the subject, is the exact same preparedness that they have to talk about the subject. You're in the business of having conversations. Have as many of them as possible, as often as possible, and don't schedule them. You don't need to. Mitch, what you got?
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.